The All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKMTTA, under the leadership of its president Rikaldinus Dorling, has alleged that certain traffic police personnel are engaging in biased enforcement at the Khandailat parking area near Vivanta Hotel. According to the association, some officers, in collaboration with parking attendants and outstation drivers, are unfairly penalizing Meghalaya registered vehicles while allowing Assam registered vehicles to park without consequences. To support their claims, the association has released video footage showing Meghalaya registered vehicles being clamped and removed while Assam registered vehicles were left undisturbed. On the 4th of March 2025, the association submitted a formal complaint to the Superintendent of Police Traffic Branch urging immediate intervention. In response, the Superintendent of Police Traffic assured that a committee would be formed to investigate the allegations. The president of the association, Rikaldinus Dorling, stated that the issue has been ongoing for a long time and called for strict action against discriminatory practices.
Ka jingwan jingi hakini singi for SP traffic kadi biasa ko to jing sha long jing sha le siliang ka bai de hantu for police bizar nam ta ki kali tourist taxi di badehi na ka jalla jumi e hadin ga mstep ka ba la yeng ban tap passenger ang ke po banta hadin ka ba phashiteng dai bijim tu kamut kilawan ban kelam no lawan ban kelam ni be no na tu jaka ka ba mensua pi hi ke don kui ke parking ba ladon we ki action di ba hang tu ban punya parking te menta kini ki perdok pasami perdai bagi kilawan hang tu ban bu ye ki kali ban tap passenger re kasting dai ji kini ki polisi kilawan be kile bi ban kelam ki ti onda kelami nak tu jaka ru pelong ba ni pinyo snow su SP ba na kelami tu jaka onda kelali ki jaka ke badan stis kendong bo city hot dawa ki tu lenti tu ter tu banyo banyeng no ban kapnya hang tu pring sor jongka polis bizar ndai nak la yang cikitu jakaru hadu mentamne kadang don be klam tila da pikwa iki sebut gidan kini timbangan PEV gidan kumi pai kei ke bajalong ni pai kani ketika saki sebut tu pai kani ke PEV kalong po Vivanta mo sibjis neng ikali asam kiyo banyeng kat bomon ngan sapa iki kani video sibjis neng kin kiyo kat bomon kat ba ikali asam makani ke cakap Vivanta kali mikali apan hashtag kita gym step kila sabe ba kila bonon kelam bai kat ba yakini kali sampai kulit udan tu udan lang ikali asam kimbe yaki te sakwe kalong kani pe ma tu kadang sekali video ni ini ke kisah ki bangiyo ban lumah kani ke di po Vivanta ka baca
yang kali asam kelam pendanya ada yang kali
hang tu kadon ke basilendat lesi kadon ke jingnya siu ke jing penyi kidon ki beri hang tu penyai ke tu ke parking lot tu ban tab ikali asam ke shipji seneng katu kadon lesi kadon ke jingnya yok pisal ni business jongnur hang tu apring kulit ancha hang tu bat kitu ki beri lesi hang tu kadon kata ka beta ke baki siu lesi ai nupsa kila ban siu la ka kali asam kawan metet pasenjan tu kila ban siu no sispa pengka ke we yo kulit hapo Meghalaya lani kumta mo kajing bejuki kadon kum katai ma kadi ke business hang tu kadi takadau ni kali sing ko monga ong mane nyimyo ala tang tu ban thep watang atli kali ni sabe kum so bai dalu mister nah kali yang ke SP 4 halor kata ka kam ke bang ki keli maki ula ai ka asuran ini pa insidon ke komiti ke bangin ai ke perfect place nani ka parking bobiang nam tajung ki tourist taxi bat ke private pribadi apa asal